Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a sweet and healthy topic to discuss. We're talking about how pomegranate juice can be a game changer for those managing diabetes. Wait, before starting pomegranate juice for diabetes control video, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Here's a simple and easy recipe for making homemade pomegranate juice. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh pomegranate juice, 1 large carrot peeled and chopped, 2 cup of Greek yogurt, a touch of honey, optional, ice cubes. Equipment: large bowl, wooden spoon, knife blender or juicer, fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, pitcher or glass bottle for storing. Instructions: wash the pomegranates and carrots thoroughly under cold running water. Prepare the pomegranates and cut the carrot into small picks. Extract the seeds. Submerge the pomegranate in a large bowl of cold water. Blend the seeds, carrot pieces, yogurt, and ice cubes. Strain the juice. Pour the chilled pomegranate juice into glasses. Garnish with a few pomegranate arils or a slice of lemon if desired, and enjoy. So, whether you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, or you're simply looking for healthier fruits options, these juices are a game changer. Stick around as we dive deeper into each fruit's unique flavors and benefits. Wait. Want to control blood sugar level? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.